Congratulations, Sam.
Congrats, Sam. Galing ah.
Okay din.
Anyway, narito naman ang mga nominado para sa New Movie Actress sa taong 2006.
New Movie Actress of the Year, Kim Chu, First Day High, Star Cinema.
Kailangan mo ba yun? Kanina pa kasi tingin sa'yo yun. Ayun o.
Bastos mo na! Ba't mo ako tinititigan?
Hindi.
Jackie Rice, Till I Met You, GMA Films and Viva Films.
Oh, naiintindihan mo ba yan, kritikyo?
Maha Salvador, Suko, Star Cinema. Precious Lara Kigaman, Umaaraw Umuulan, Heaven's Best Productions.
Naku, hindi na nakakahiya, malayo pa ako.
Nene Tamayo, Shake, Rattle and Roll 8, Yaya Episode, Regal Entertainment Incorporated. Young and pure, active and bubbly. Truly a refreshing addition to movie industry's finest young talents. Pure and Fresh by PH Care Feminine Wash gives the highest praises to Kim Chu, New Movie Actress nominee in the 23rd Star Awards for Movies.
And his star goes to...
Sino kaya, Kimby?
Sino kaya? You know?
Okay.
And the star goes to Maha Salvador, Sukob, Star Cinema.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Ravel Fernando.
Wow. Pangalawa na po to, ang PMPC, maraming salamat po. Star Cinema, Direct Chito, maraming salamat. Miss Malu Santos, maraming salamat po. Miss Chris Aquino and Ate Clau, para din po sa inyo to. Thank you so much po. Sa manager ko, Tito Chit, I love you so much. Sa family ko, thank you. Star Magic din, salamat po, Mr. M, I love you po. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Sa fans, love you po.